Welcome to this presentation on organic and inorganic evolution. Today, we will explore the fascinating processes that have shaped the living and non-living components of our universe. Evolution is a fundamental concept in science, referring to gradual changes over time. It can be categorized into two main types: organic evolution, which deals with living organisms, and inorganic evolution, which focuses on non-living matter. This presentation will delve into these concepts, their processes, and how they are interconnected, shaping the universe as we know it. Organic evolution refers to the gradual development and diversification of living organisms over successive generations. It involves genetic changes that are passed from one generation to the next. The key processes in organic evolution include natural selection, where organisms best suited to their environment survive and reproduce. Mutation, which introduces random changes in DNA that create genetic variation. Gene flow, the transfer of genetic material between populations. Genetic drift, which is the random change in gene frequencies, particularly in small populations. Recombination, where genetic material mixes during reproduction. An example of organic evolution is the evolution of modern humans, Homo sapiens, from earlier hominids like Australopithecus. This process has led to the incredible diversity of life we see today. Pause 1. Let's take a moment to evaluate what we've learned about organic evolution. Answer these multiple choice questions based on the previous slide. In contrast, inorganic evolution pertains to the development and changes in non-living components of the universe. Key processes in inorganic evolution include cosmic formation, which involves the creation of stars, planets, and galaxies from primordial matter. Geological changes, such as the shaping of Earth's surface, the formation of its atmosphere, and the creation of oceans and land masses. Chemical synthesis, where basic elements combine to form compounds necessary for life. An example of inorganic evolution is the formation of Earth's atmosphere, which resulted from volcanic gases. Over time, these gases condense to form water bodies, creating the conditions necessary for life to emerge. Let's compare organic and inorganic evolution to better understand their differences and connections. Organic evolution involves the development and diversification of living organisms, driven by genetic processes like natural selection and mutation. Inorganic evolution, on the other hand, focuses on the changes and development of non-living matter through processes such as cosmic formation and geological activity. While organic evolution occurs over millions of years, inorganic evolution spans billions of years. For example, the evolution of humans is an organic process, while the formation of Earth's atmosphere is inorganic. These two types of evolution are interconnected because inorganic evolution created the conditions necessary for organic evolution to take place, such as the presence of water and an atmosphere conducive to life. Before we summarize, let's evaluate what we've learned about inorganic evolution and its differences from organic evolution. Answer the following multiple choice questions based on the previous slide. In summary, evolution can be categorized into two types: organic and inorganic. Organic evolution focuses on the gradual development of living organisms through processes like natural selection, mutation, and recombination. Inorganic evolution deals with the changes in non-living matter, including the formation of stars, planets, and Earth's atmosphere. These two types of evolution are interconnected, as inorganic processes provided the foundation for life to emerge and evolve. Together, they illustrate the dynamic and interdependent nature of our universe. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.